Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Why do Shias and Sunnis break their fast at different times? Why are we accused of breaking our fast too late? What exactly is the correct time to break our fast? The issue is critical because if you break your fast before the time prescribed in the Quran, remember that your fast will be invalid. Now, let's see where iftar time is mentioned in the Quran. In the Quran, it clearly states to break your fast when the night comes. It is mentioned in Surah Baqarah, verse 187, Summa atimmu siyama ila layl. Complete your fast when the night has spread. Now the main question arises, how can we know when the night has actually arrived? The night does not occur at sunset. Night actually arrives when the darkness has spread everywhere and there is a complete absence of light. Another way to know if the night has actually arrived is right after sunset, when the red glow from the east sweeps over your head, eradicating the light completely and spreading the darkness everywhere. This is the actual time of iftar, which is called Layl. The time of iftar is the same as the time for Maghrib. They are not different. The Quran also describes the time of Maghrib prayers with using the word Layl. It is mentioned in Surah Hud, verse 114. وَأَقِمِ الصَّلَاةَ طَرَفَيِ النَّهَارِ وَزُلَفًا مِنَ اللَّيْلِ, and establish prayer at the two ends of the day and the approach of the night. Here the word Layl refers to the Maghrib prayer. The time for Maghrib prayers and the time for breaking your fast both starts when the night falls. So the question arises, should we pray first or break our fast? Although you can do iftar at Maghrib time, but Imam Jafar Sadiq alayhi salatu wassalam said it is mustahab to break your fast after performing the Maghrib prayers. Praying while fasting gives you more sawab. Therefore, we do not delay iftar. We break our fast at the time prescribed by the Quran.